How to turn off 5G on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Cellular as shown. From here, you can find out how much data you're using, set data restrictions, and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. Go to Cellular Data Options as shown. And then, go to Voice and Data. As you can see, it is currently set to 5G. With 5G turned on, it uses 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. If you want to turn it off, select 3G or 4G. Keep in mind that 5G is the fastest option if it's available with your provider. Following these steps, you can easily turn off 5G on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.